So today, we want to talk about something that I think a lot of people forget about, and that's when you're out riding, you're having a good time, and you decide to make a left here, a right there, and you end up on roads that you don't know. First of all, that is the best part about motorcycling, is you just get out on the back roads and you get lost and you have fun. That's what makes motorcycling a lot of fun. But at the same time, being on roads you don't know can also be something very dangerous for you as a rider. So when you're riding on roads that you don't know, you need to take everything that you have ever learned riding a motorcycle and put it to use, because you don't know what the road's like, you don't know how many curves are on the road and how sharp those curves are, but especially in the curves. And for anybody that's a new rider, this you have to be extra careful about, because you can go on a road, and yes, a straight road like what I'm doing right now is good, it's fine, I'm going straight. I am being cautious though, because I don't know the road too much. It could change, there could be a curve that the sign's no longer there, or you could have, as you do here, some people that are doing something, and we got cones and all kinds of stuff, and a car coming at me. Oh my Lord. Anyway, you want to be cautious, but especially in curves, because a curve can change quickly. You might think, well, this is a sweeping turn, it'll be fine, I'll be okay. Next thing you know, that turn starts getting sharper, and sharper. And next thing you know, you're having a possible agricultural experience, and you really don't want to have that. So this is where, when you ride on the roads that you know, like the back of your hand, you know the curves, you know everything, you know, about the road, the terrain, where the potholes are, all that stuff. Riding on them is what prepares you for riding on roads that you don't know. The only difference is you're more cautious and you know how to take that curve, but you could take it a lot slower because you don't know it.
The main idea is practice. You're always practicing. You're sort of like a doctor, you know?
I don't want a doctor practicing.
Well, you know, a doctor's always practicing. And, you know, you're always practicing. You never stop. But you want to practice on roads that you know real well, know all the hazards on the roads. And like SJ said, you use all the experience that you've learned for roads that you don't know. And there's a first-time road for everyone. Locals know at the end of that straightaway, there's a 15-mile-an-hour turn. And it's not marked for whatever the reason. The signs came down years ago. And here you are, fat and happy. All of a sudden, oh shit moment comes. And again, what you learned on the roads that you know comes into play at that moment.
Yes, and if you happen to ride with somebody who maybe knows the road, but you've never been on it, so they know it, they're ripping, they're having a grand old time, don't try to keep up with them. If you've never been on that road and you're riding with somebody who has, they should know to slow down and let you get used to this road since you don't know it. But if they start ripping and riding that road like they normally do, don't try to keep up with them. Ride your own ride. Ride within your comfort and skill level. Because that's a mistake that I see, especially with a lot of new riders, is the fact that a buddy takes you out and you've never been on this road ever, whether a car or a bike, and they start riding that road like they normally do. And that's great for them, but you don't know. So then you want to keep up with them, saying, oh, you know, I got to keep up with my buddy. this is how you get yourself in trouble. So make sure that if you ride with somebody that knows the road and you don't, that you just ride within your limits, and maybe say to that buddy, hey, could you slow down a little bit? I'm still a new rider. I'm not real sure and confident of my skills. And if he does slow down and help you through it, great. If he keeps going, great too. Just do you and don't worry about catching up with them. Now, did you have to pass me?
Yeah, I did. That was your signal to get moving because we had a car coming down on us.
I was moving.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
Jesus.
Yeah, see, don't like bullies like that push you. You're a bully. But
Yeah, yeah. Put them in the back so they get run over.
But anyway, guys, that's the fun part about motorcycling, and all you newbies out there that are, first year riders or just getting your license, the best part is getting lost on a motorcycle. Just make sure that when you do that, you pay attention, slow down, and just have a good time. It's fun to go fast. Yes, it's fun to take curves and try to lean that bike, but on roads you don't know, no. Slow it down and take it easy. All right, who's going? Okay, she's going. So guys, that's about it. You got anything else to add, Ben?
Nope.
So we hope you guys have fun, and for everybody who may have just gotten their license or is going to get your license, it is a wonderful sport. It's a wonderful time, especially when you get to ride with a loved one that passes you. But no, seriously. And it's even more fun when you ride with your significant other, your parents, or your friends. Just be careful and be cautious. You'll get it, you'll have it, and just remember, you're forever learning and you're forever practicing. So until we catch you guys on the next one, I'm going to show hubby what his bike is not. So we'll see you guys later. Ride safe.
Bye now.